here is the background story of those course. I got my international passport at the official rate, and then my friends were like, oh, you should really teach people how to do that. I was like, why? Because they won't really pay me that much. But we conducted a survey, and the survey shows they're willing to pay about $47, which is 20,000 naira at CBN rates, not black market. So they were willing to pay that amount for the course if I create it. So that was the main reason we created it. But then we make it half of the price they are willing to pay, and the launch price is actually like 1/4 of the price they are willing to pay, because most people are willing to pay that high because they pay multiple of it, like 5 times that amount to get their international passport, when they could actually get it for 25,000 naira, which is say $55 at CBN rate. You see me saying CBN rates all the time because the black market of dollar in my country is wide apart the CBN rates, because I think CBN is living in apparent world. They have their own apparent world. They are just hallucinating. Anyway, so let's get into it. So one thing about my copy is that I structured it in a way the designer is expected to design it. So this is the pre-headline, this is the headline, this is the sub-headline. And then the opt-in page, we did it in a way that we qualify them. Even though we are not offering a lead magnet at this point, the sales copy is just like our lead magnet. But then we really want only people who are qualified to get to that page. So we qualify them by saying if they are not Nigerian, we don't want them. If they want to get it in 2 weeks, this is not for them. They can follow simple instructions, definitely is not for them as well. And then I give them a sneak peek of what's inside. That's an appetizer for if they feel like, yeah, I qualify, I'm a Nigerian, I don't want it in 2 weeks, and I can follow simple instructions, then this is what they stand to get from it. So the button yes, they send it to me, and the first one say I want more info. So that's it about that. And then we now come to the sales copy itself. You see, my sales copy is always structured in a way that even if you're an analytical reader, you will get a full gist of what's inside. And even if you are a spontaneous reader, there's no way you're going to scroll past it without really getting an idea of what I am trying to tell you there. So this is what I did here. And also, like I said before, it's always structured in a way the designer is expected to design it. You will see me writing the caption here, even though some of the things in this copy has changed after my funnel went live. See, one thing you will see about my copies are I tend to use like different headline and different font size and all those things. So this part is saying, will they pay 85,000 naira to an agent when they can secure it for 5,000? And one thing about me is that I tend to write my copy from the proofs. The proofs, that was why I always ask for these ones in your questionnaire. If you approve, I write it from the proof. So you can see right here is that someone was saying, during my research, I realized that people pay as high as 120,000 naira to get international passport. That is, the price is officially 25k. You know, they're paying like 6 times what they are supposed to pay. So I was asking them here, so definitely the person will answer no. Then I introduce what they stand to get right there. And then this place is where I love the most, and it is about selling them money at a discount. When you sell people money at a discount, they pay. Even though we're going to increase this price to 10,000 naira, but we will still be selling them money at a discount. So we're telling them to save about 1 million naira with just 5,500 naira today. And then I talked about how they actually do it, because you can't just give them the figures without telling them how they intend to do it. And then this is our guarantees, and these are our frequently asked questions. Based on my research, I realized that okay, these are the questions they will be asking afterwards that I answered in the copy, but probably they skipped these, but they will still want it. And there are some that I didn't really answer in the copy, but there are some I answered. But if they skip it, they can still get an idea of what the course stands for right there.